some very small scale. But the reality is that Tibetan people don't have a voice, and they don't have the permission to say, they can't make the decision on whether or not Continental should be there or not. So what you're doing actually is, you're actually stealing from the Tibetan people, and you're taking from a Chinese government, which is one of the most brutal regimes in the world. And I brought with me 1,000 letters. Okay. This is a sampling of the letters that we've received from people around the world. These letters come as far as Buenos Aires, they come from Alberta, they come from Canadians and Americans, people all around the world. And I urge you to please read these letters back to Tibet, an occupied country. It'll pull out of Tibet, citing what other companies have done, Sino Gold, not Bombardier, but World Bank, and other companies have recognized it's not a right. Shame on Continental.
Shame on Continental.
Excuse me, guys. We got some guests here. So we'll put this one in, can we get him out?
No, we're going to do it. We just have
I couldn't get into the meeting, so I'm just hanging around here. I was refused access to the meeting. So I refused access, so I thought I'd hang around here. And just by accident, these people showed up. It's amazing. I mean,
I'm gonna walk you down to the door.
Stop the money! In Tibet! Stop the money! In Tibet! Stop the money! In Tibet! Shame on! Shame on! Continental! Shame on! Continental! Continental!